Okay, question 8. So we've got an equation with two unknowns, a and b, and we're given 2 points. So that should immediately tell you that we're going to be using simultaneous equations, because we can create two equations from those 2 points and then find a and b. So the first point, 2, 0, we're going to sub in y is 0 and x is 2. And then simplify that equation, so we get 0 equals 8a plus 2b. So that's our first equation we formed. Next one is 0.56. So we're putting 6 equals a times 5 cubed plus b times 5. We get 6 equals 125a plus 5b. And that's our second equation. So we have to get one of the variables with the same number, and I'm going for the b's. So I'm going to multiply equation 1 by 5 and equation 2 by 2, and that will give me 10 b's. And I have to multiply everything in the equation. So I'm writing number 2 first, and I've sort of swapped it around from the left to the right. So I get 250a plus 10b equals 12. I've times everything by 2. And then equation 1, I've times everything by 5. And now I can just subtract, and that will eliminate the b's. And so I'm left with just the a's to figure out. So a will be 12 over 210. And so I've divided by 6, and I've got 2 over 35. So not nice, but we've got a fraction there. And now I have to find the b. So I'm going for the simplest equation. Any equation will work, but the most simple form is 8a plus 2b equals 0. And so that can be simplified to 8a equals minus 2b. So 8 times a equals negative 2b. So 16 on 35 equals negative 2b. So I have to divide by negative 2. When you divide by negative 2, you've got half, so it's negative 8 over 35.